In this video, I will show you different ways to conserve our nature. First, let me show you an infographics and then I will explain it further. Tree planting. Those trees are very important to us people because those trees give us food, shelter, and oxygen we breathe. Imagine if there will be no tree, there will be no life at all. Next is proper waste management. We people needs to be responsible enough and well disciplined in throwing our garbage in a proper place. Those are very simple things but it means a lot to our nature. Next is the 3Rs, which stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are very common to us people, and if we apply this on our daily lives, we can help preserve our nature. The next way to preserve our nature is by using a bicycle or just walking if you will just go another place. Within this, you can save money and at the same time, you can save our Mother Earth too.